Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show LED scrolling effect with 555 timer and 4017 IC. This is the 4017 IC and this is the 555 timer, and this is the scrolling effect. You can increase the scrolling effect by turning this variable plot. See, scrolling effect increasing and it's slowing down. So how it works, I'm going to show the sketch. This arrangement gives the oscillation of the 555 timer. This oscillation apply to the 4017 IC 14 number pin. This is the pin of clock. This clock pulse, when it get the clock pulse, it defaults default connection 3. It hit the 3 number pin, power up, BC547 base, and BC547 it needs the negative. So LED negative point connected here. Suppose green LED negative, red LED negative, and yellow LED negative. So I take 3 LED, green, red and yellow. So here is the output point 3, point Q0, Q1, Q2. When it goes to the Q3, it connected to the reset pin. So circuit resets and again it starts from the initial point from Q0. So in this way this circuit works. And how the decoration, LED effect decoration. Let's see the decoration. All LED positive point are common. One pair of LED negative point should be common. One pair, see, one pair, negative point. And each one pair negative point, we take the one cable solder to each every negative point. Suppose green, this is the green. So all green, there should be a common output negative cable, and it will connect to the BC547 collector. In this way, all red, suppose this white, this is the white, red, all red LED, one pair of negative LED. This is the one pair of a negative LED. This is the one pair of negative LED. All negative LED common, and in this way here would be a output one cable, and it will connect it to the BC547 collector point. So how we can this LED arrangement? Suppose here I am taking 2 green, 2 red and 2 yellow. So 1, all LED positive should be common. This is the negative. Suppose this is the LED 1, LED 2. This is green. this is green. So suppose this one green. So this green LED negative 1 pair should be common. Here is the one output, and this is LED 1, LED 2, red. So red negative 1 pair should be out. In this way, here green, red, in this way. Again green. Suppose this is green, this is red. So green, 1 pair of negative out, 1 pair out. So this green should be jumped over one LED, just jump over, and it will connect to the green negative. So red, 1 pair of negative, it will jump over 1 pair of green LED and connect to red. So here is the one negative green, here is the one negative red. These two pin connected to the BC547 collector. Suppose negative collector 1K. The collector base, this is the emitter. So in this way you can decorate all the LED. If you take, I have taken 1 pair of LED. If you want 3 LED, so you have to make 3 column. Here is the 2 negative, then it will be 3 negative LED will be common, and switch over to the next one, switch over to the next one. In this way you can make out, in this way you can take 1 pair of negative wire, and it will connect the load and load to load 3. So guys, I think this video is informative. This is informative. Please hit the like button and share this video. Thank you.